Today I'm going to talk to you about ribbon printing. Behind me you can see examples of some lovely creations that we've done in-house. You can see ribbons from as narrow as 7mm right up to 100mm, which are of course the sashes and banners. The idea of ribbon printing is you can create personalised bespoke messages on all these different widths and types of ribbon. Not only can you print on ribbon, but you can print onto clear self-adhesive labelling, creating window stickers, advertising material, and also material that you can stick, for example, onto candles or even onto packaging. The ribbon printer is a small, robust desktop printer. Inside, if I open the lid, you can see your ribbon sits on a spindle and your coloured foils sit on the front, like this. We stock all the ribbons and all the transfer films that you require. We have 16 beautiful coloured foils and over 36 ribbons in widths from 7mm up to 100. I'll show you now how simple and quick it is to use the programme. Following installation of Diamond Design, you have an icon on your desktop. Simply click onto the icon and the software launches. It opens really quickly and is very simple to use. In order to create a new design, you simply go to New Design. As the software opens, it defaults to a ribbon width of 4.5cm and a design length of 20cm. You can choose the ribbon colour. We've got a white ribbon in here. And you can choose your foil colour. The reason this is on is in order to warn you should you pick a foil colour which is not going to look right on your ribbon. We've got a gold metallic foil. I'm going to select that. And straight away you get a preview of what the gold would look like on the colour ribbon you've selected. Go on to Create and you're now ready to add your text. Simply click on the Add Text button and add your text. The text will default to Arial, but by going into the drop-down box you can select any of the texts available to you within your laptop or computer. I'm going to use Kristen. By inputting K, we default to everything beginning with K, and there's Kristen. Immediately you get a preview of Kristen. Let's type in our message. Happy birthday, Sammy. I've made a small spelling mistake, so just go in and correct. We add our text, and the text immediately falls into the print area. By clicking on the bottom right-hand corner, you can move your text around. You can enlarge it, and generally play about with it until you're happy. The software allows you to rotate and to skew, so you've got plenty of options. Happy birthday, Sammy. I think Sammy would like some balloons. Let's go into Image. Within the image you also have shapes, logos and graphics, so you can import whatever you wish. Let's find something that Sammy would like. Fireworks. By double clicking on the fireworks, it's now in the print area. Let's make our print area slightly longer and pick up the graphic we've just imported and move it. The graphics can be moved in the same way as the text. You can rotate and skew. By right-clicking, here are your rotations. You have several other features. You can print vertically, you can layer your images front and back, you can shade front and back, you can flip horizontally and flip vertically. You can centre. You can put to the top, the left, the right or the bottom. We're simply going to leave it as it is and print. Select the print button and here are your print options. You can tell the software how many copies you wish to run. You can manipulate the spacing between each print. But we're happy with what we've got, and we're going to print. Press the print button, and a few seconds later the print comes straight out of your printer. The foil is dry and ready to touch. What a lucky girl, Sammy. Happy birthday. We now also stock this revolutionary iron-on material. By using our special waterproof foils, you can now create clothing labels. Because it's a ribbon printer, you can even add one of these lovely little images, which the children love. You simply type in the child's name and turn it 90 degrees so it's going upwards, and there you have it, a list of labels ready to go into your school uniforms. You can also use the waterproof foils and put it into the sewing material that we sew, and you can now create garment labels. These can be used with any sort of handmade product where your customer wants to self-promote. They can put their company name, their website and telephone number, but no need for them to have to order large quantities because you can now supply them on an as and when basis. So there you have it, the ribbon printing system, easy and quick to use with the fabulous Diamond Design software included. Please go to our website www.ribbonprintingeurope.com for more information and pricing, or phone us on 01905 780 182 and we'll be really happy to speak to you. I hope you've enjoyed today's demonstration.